Hunter sends a military trolley. They are looking for the bandits. Cave-in shit. And the staircase? How convenient. Seems to me we're being lured in. Pack it. Let's go.
Suka! As if Nasalis behind us were not enough, now we're stuck in fucking graveyard. Artyom, search the bodies. I'll try to get our asses out of here.
Piece of shit! Come on, open! Artyom, my gut tells me something is very wrong with this place. Remember our agreements. I'm counting on you, kid. Come on. Nice little grill. I promise you, dear, I will come back and lubricate you. Also get you new paint. Oh, the great door! I hear you are calling me! Yes, my mistress! I hear you! Yes, yes, yes! Always! Always! Oh, yes! Now I am happy! Your songs are magnificent! Sing more! Sing only for me! Ah! What the hell just happened to me? Artyom, did you hear those songs? Brr, I wouldn't wish it on an enemy. And here is the market. Stay calm. Uncle Bourbon will get us in. Hey, people! Open up! Don't let your two-legged brethren die a foolish death! Are you deaf in there? We're going to be eaten!
Motherfucker! Fuck with you! Damn that's out! You know, it's not the trolley!
Artyom, hang on! Fate's on our side! Do as he says. These guys have no sense of humor.
Are my eyes playing tricks? Bourbon, old friend, is that you? And I've given up hope of ever seeing you alive again. Simon, look who the snout scared up.
God damn it. We stepped in this shit now. Hey, Mikhailovich, what a coincidence. I was just coming to visit you.
You hear that, boys? Set out the good dishes. Bourbon's come to visit.
Now, don't go running off, Bourbon. We've got a little job to finish, then we'll get back to you. Remember where you should wait for me?
I do.
You sure? I can help you, remember? You get me right?
Absolutely.
I'd never seen a market like this. You could buy almost anything. But Bourbon owed money to the Hansa sentries and was anxious to leave.
Holster your weapons at once. Who are you? Come into the light. Slowly, slowly. I'll be damned. Bourbon. Hey guys, we'd better search these two. So, you all drunk. What are you carrying this time around? Who's the boy?
Look here, boss. I'm sure we can work this out.
Sure? Let's go and chat a little. And you keep an eye on this one, huh?
Don't move! Stand still, I'm talking to you!
Okay, these two may pass. Welcome to the market.
Let's move our asses. Or would you like to enjoy their company a little more?
Hey, watch your tone.
We're in deep shit. No way I can pay back those railcar guys. We'll be lucky if they let us shovel shit for the rest of our days.
When I saw it years ago, there were charred bodies inside, some still seething. It was a nightmare. The plane is difficult to traverse. You can't go around it, so the tunnel roof is giving in. And all the space between the carriages
Well,
and tunnel walls is
we can't go to Hansa.
If anyone reads me, respond.
Here's some cartridges. Go get a couple filters, will ya? I have an idea. I'll go have a talk with a certain someone. We could either meet at the local bar, or I can find you elsewhere. Well, off you go.
That Tanya, she's hot for me, I tell you. If anyone reads me, she gave me a look yesterday.
What kind of...
No one.
I'm meeting her today after the watch.
Picked up a transmission from the surviving tape. They were off base at movies. Those things were shielded against radiation. How about some moonshine?
What's the occasion? Driver's Day again?
My son said
It's just me and this boy.
Congratulations. It's not my shit, Mama, or
Come on! Think something up!
it was Kent Hair. The Hansa people
a
were
little
against
soldier, just like you.
Cut that shit out.
Yeah.
I'll tell you about that.
My cousin said if kids go too far, they get caught by the mutants, and the mutants eat the kids' brains.
Take a look at these here knives.
There's this long tunnel from Sukharevskaya to the nearest inhabited place. Non-travelers tend to disappear. A caravan with a dozen men can make it through, and the ones who do say there's nothing suspicious about the tunnel itself. It's quiet and empty. There are no side branches, nowhere to get lost. But the next day,
And where's your
someone
armor?
who's heard how nice
Mine's
and
here.
safe that tunnel is
You don't
decides
have
to
that
go there
caliber.
alone and vanishes like a
You
ghost.
don't have that caliber. And where's your armor?
Stalkers
Mine's
say
here.
that you must never look at
Good
the Kremlin
deal.
when you are up there outside. The stars on the top of the towers are mesmerizing. One look, and you won't be able to turn your eyes away. And after a few moments, you get drawn in. And all the gates are conveniently open. That's why the stalkers never go to the Great Library. If one of them looks at the Kremlin, the other can make him come to his senses.
won't find any sharper. Blows your target to pieces. As you wish.
It's a bit too expensive.
Nah, just looking. As you wish.
Selling, buying.
The price is high for me. It's a bit too expensive.
Stuff is falling out of your pockets already. You're welcome.
It's a bit too expensive. I don't know. Hey, Mom, let's buy a rat.
Shut up, Kate. I already bought you one last week.
It's a bit too expensive.
If they catch a merchant dealer, they confiscate his stuff. So during the initial
Well, I made an arrangement with the guy here. He's a greedy asshole, but we can't do anything about that. Great. Let's go then. I think you already know the way.
Milky Way. But that wouldn't mean much for the little green man.
Take my spare filter. We need to get up to the surface.
no one. If anyone reads me,
Bourbon? As if you don't know.
Cough up and get out.
I've already paid Mike.
You didn't pay me. But if you don't want to go through,
Shit. A pleasure doing business with you.
all right. Just kidding.
if anyone reads me, respond. It's Moscow. Market
Get ready, everyone. The gate's opening.
Are you sure, Commander?
Take your positions. Cover me.
Does anyone read me?
I hate this so much.
If anyone reads me, if anyone reads me, respond. It's Moscow. Market
Well, it looks quiet.
Looks clear. Go.
Spasiba. We need to move our asses. Move it, kid.
When we emerged into the ruins of Moscow, I felt both fear and sorrow. But after a life underground, I also saw strange beauty in the dark skies and frozen landscape. So that's the Dead City, grunted Bourbon. Welcome home, Artyom.
Be really careful now. And here we meet a happy citizen. Stalkers. Those crazy devils come to the surface almost every day, looking for scrap, ammo, anything they can dig out. Sometimes you find the dead ones frozen stiff, like snowmen in rags. Search the room carefully. You might find another cache here. They often make hideouts for themselves on the surface, just in case. So just take a careful look around, and we'll have no problems with spare filters and ammunition whatsoever. What have we got here? A filter. That will surely come in handy. Some ammo. Great. Thanks, friend. Ready? Let's go. We've got to reach the air shaft, which we'll use to get to Dry Station. Then we go our separate ways, and you'll get my AK like I promised. Hi, kid. Stay hidden. If we meet the beast in the open, crawl into the nearest crevice. Some people call these demons. I call them bitches. So that's the dead city. Welcome home, Artyom. Jump! I'll catch you! Jump! I'll catch you! That's what I call rotten luck. You'll have to go around up here. Don't step in the tunnel. You'll be irradiated and shit. See that gated deal room? Your target is a vent in the backyard to reach the Dry Station. I'll wait for you in the building. There's a ranger hideout on the upper floor. Make it quick. Don't eat yellows now. shit out of me. But you made it. I thought you were a goner. We're almost there. Just one courtyard left. Let's get moving along. Shit! Can you hear this?
As we went underground, it struck me that my city was now a foreign and hostile place. I felt safe here, in the darkness of the metro. More so when Bourbon claimed to have friends at Dry Station.
Listen carefully. The bandits control this station. We need to move quietly and take a look around. If we don't see my friends, we get the hell out of here. I remember this grate. Let's just... Shit, I can't fit. Okay, you just stay here. First in, here.
Hold it! Who are you? Hey, give me some light. Oh, ha, ha. Who do we have here? It's Bourbon the Huckster.
Look who's talking. Take me to your boss. I have business with him.
The boss? But of course! Then to the boss it is! Where else would you like to go, huh?
Okay, that's enough. Or else we'll have to drag him.
Move it. We'll finish this later.
Move it! See if he's forgetting something. I don't see his stuff around.
Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing but the rats here.
Okay, let's go then.